So today we're just going to do a bunch of practice and remember what our different rules are. Remember, if we have a squared, a plus b quantity squared, it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you have a minus b quantity squared, it's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, because a negative times a negative will always be a positive. If you have a plus b times a minus b, it's a squared minus b squared. So we're just going to pick a rule and use it for each one. For this one, it's the a plus b squared. So we know it's going to be x squared plus 2 times x times 7 plus 7 squared, which is x squared plus 14x plus 49. For number 2, it's the minus one. So we have x squared minus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 squared. So it's x squared minus 4x plus 4. This one, it's back to the beginning. So we have in parentheses 5x squared plus 2 times a, which is 5x, times b, which is 2y, plus b squared, which is 2y quantity squared. So now we can just multiply. 5 times 5 is 25x squared plus 10. 5 times 2 is 10 times 2 is 20. Alphabetical order, xy plus 4y squared. Number 4, oh, this is our favorite rule. We have a minus b, a plus b. Doesn't matter, remember the commutative rule, if the minus or the plus comes first, you'll still get 4x in parentheses squared minus 5y in parentheses squared, which is just 16x squared minus 25y squared. 2 more. This one's our subtraction one. So we would have the quantity 2x squared minus 2 times 2x, which is a, and b, so we have a and b, times 9y plus b squared plus 9y quantity squared, which is going to give us 4x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 9 is 36xy plus 81y squared. Last but not least, we have a plus b times a minus b. So we'll have m squared minus 2n squared. M squared squared, you multiply your exponents and you get m to the 4th. Minus, don't forget to give each one of these an exponent of squared. 2 squared is 4n squared. We have one more question I want to go over. It says, write a polynomial that represents the shaded area of the figure below. So I want to know what just the shaded pink area is. Well, if we know the area of the giant rectangle, and we know the area of the small square, to get the area of the pink, let's first find the area of rectangle, is length times width. So we would have x minus 6, length, width, x plus 6 times x minus 6. And this is one of our rules, so we have a plus b, a minus b, so it would be x squared minus 36. And that's the area of our rectangle. The area of the square is just your side squared, length times width again, but in this case it's just x minus 7 times x minus 7, which isn't that the same thing as x minus 7 quantity squared. So in this case we have a minus b squared, so we have a squared, x squared, minus 2 times 7 times x plus 7 squared. So we know it's x squared minus 14x plus 49. So to find the area of just the shaded region, we need to physically take out the green. So I can just do my x squared minus 36 minus x squared minus 14x plus 49. Remember, we change it to plus a negative and distribute our negative. So then we have x squared minus 36 plus negative x squared plus 14x minus 49. Now we can combine our like terms. Positive x squared plus negative x squared cancels out to 0. Now let's just put our positive 14x so that it's in standard form. Negative 36 minus 49 plus negative 49. So we have 36, 49. Add the two together, you get 15, 7, 8. So you get minus 85 units squared because we're talking about the area. And again, we did the area of the big one minus the area of the small. Now you can go ahead and start your homework.